Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today in this lecture we will discuss about cell number, cell shape and cell size. So I am starting here with number of cells. Okay, in my previous lecture we have discussed about the discovery of the cell and what the cell is. Okay, so now I will tell you that a human body has human body has trillion of cells, which vary in shapes and sizes. Okay, so how we will differentiate between a body with a single cell and with the different multiple cells? So the organisms made of more than one cell more than one cell are called as multicellular. Okay, and organisms made of a single cell are called unicellular. Organism made of single cell are called unicellular. Okay students, the example of multicellular are human body and the example of unicellular is amoeba. So student, there is always a single cell in the very starting, and this single cells is a fertilized egg. Okay, what I am trying to say is there is always a single cell in start and it is a fertilized egg. So it multiplies such that it forms a multicellular cell body. Okay, so let me draw the diagram of amoeba. So amoeba is a single cell, okay, organism made of a single cell. So students, this is all about number of cells. Okay, and a single cell organism like amoeba captures, this is amoeba. Okay, they are small, so it captures and digests food also, like respirates or respires, and similar functions like and reproduce also. Okay, and similar function in multicellular organisms are carried out by specialized cells. Okay, so students, this I discussed about number of cells. Now let comes to shape of cells. So student, now comes to the shape of a cell. So as I have drawn here amoeba previously, let's say this is amoeba. This is a single cell organism. Okay, so it doesn't has definite shape. It does not have definite shape. Okay, unlike other organisms. So as I told you that human body has trillion of cells. So what are the shape of these cells? Let me say human body is made up of very different type of cells. Spherical red cells, let's say RBCs, or you can say there are also WBC, white blood cell, these are red blood cells. So spherical red blood cells are spherical in nature. Okay. Second is this is first which I am showing you here, is spindle shaped muscle cells. Spindle shaped muscle cells. Okay, so these are linear or large. Okay, the shape of these are in spindle. Okay, so these are the shape of a spindle shaped cell. So third term is long branched nerve cell. Long branched nerve cell. So our nervous system is made of these cells. So this is like a branches of a tree. Okay, so these cells are like the branches of a tree. So these are called long branched nerve cell. Can you guess which part of the cell give its shape? So the shape of the cell is given by components of the cell. Components of the cell give are enclosed in a membrane, which give a shape to a cell. Okay, so student, these membrane provides shape to the cell. So this is the main reason how the shape of the cell differs. Okay, so now I hope you are pretty clear about how the shape of the cell varies. Now comes to the size of the cell. Let me erase all this. So student, now is the size of the cell. So as I have told you that there are trillions of cells in human body. So the size of the cells are not same. They vary. The size can also be less than 1 by millionth. Million is 10 raised to power 6 meter. Vary to few centimeter. Okay, so the size of the cell can vary from 1 by 10th, means 1 by millionth of a meter, or to up to a few centimeter. However, most of the cells are microscopic in size, means very small in size, so that you can see only them from in size microscope. Okay, so the smallest cell is zero point 1 to 0.5 micrometer. Micrometer in bacteria means 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. Okay, and the largest cell of ostrich is 170 mm into 130 mm. So this is the largest cell of ostrich. Okay, so there is no relation between the size of the body to the size of the cell. Okay, it is not necessary that the cells in an elephant be much larger than the cells in a rat. Okay students, so there is no correlation between size of the body to size of the cell. So, and the size of the cell can vary from, this is the smallest and this is largest cell. Okay, so this size may vary. Okay, so in this lecture we have discussed about shape, size and number of cells. Okay, and if you have still any doubt or any question based on this students, then please do comment in the comment section. I will be happy to help you guys there. Thank you students. Enjoy the learning with Scholars Learning. Thank you.